Oh yeah, Aussie servers. Nice.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying. We love you. We love you.
May the odds be ever in your favor.
Hey tributes, what's up? Mr. Mega here again. Gonna be bringing you another build guide. It's kind of similar to my last one. Well, not really. I guess you got leg day. 10% movement speed, so obviously it's very good. I kind of feel like that's a mandatory skill now because it's just good. You run away from people, chase people. Leg day, it's a must-have. Stealthy because I don't know. This one's sort of I like it because motherfuckers can't hear you when you're running through water. They can't hear you sneaking up on them. They have no idea you're behind them. Even when you just fight a guy and he runs away and breaks line of sight and you manage to find him like a minute later, he has no idea that you're there. It's just great, and you can start fighting him all over again. He has no idea, and he's got a good spear. I want that. Give it to me. Bitch. Master Crafter, because 15% damage from all crafted weapons, traps and explosives. Not so much the traps and explosives. I mean, if you got the spare funk, sure, go nuts, craft some dynamite and have some fun with it. Punji sticks maybe. Snares, I guess. But yeah, 15% weapon damage from crafted weapons. So when you first come out of your box and you pick up your sticks and stones, you make yourself a bow. 15% damage on your bow because you crafted it. A spear, 15% damage because you crafted it. Hell, you can even sharpen a rock and run around with that. 15% damage. Airdrops. It doesn't really matter. I don't really use the airdrops anyway. I mean, they're kind of, in a 20-minute game, you're not going to run around and collect 170 funk. Unless you're one of those players that just likes to run around and avoid everyone until the very last second when it's just you and the last guy left. I guess then you'll have body armor and an SMG, but, you know, that's not fun. You get one kill every game. I like to just run around and kill dudes straight up. It's fun. So I don't really use any airdrops. I usually go with the surprise me one. Which is actually a really good way to unlock airdrops, is if you just run surprise me and then call it in. To unlock an airdrop, you don't have to collect everything from it. You just have to be the one that opens it. So if another player has their airdrop, you can run up to it. If you can open it, then boom, you've just stolen that airdrop. You will then learn that airdrop. It'll go into your thing with all your other fucking airdrops, and there you go. As for the outfit, pimp as fuck. Oh yeah. Anyway guys, here's some gameplay. Check out the build, play it for yourself, see how you like it. Let me know in the comments if you did enjoy it. Tell me how it went for ya. Fucking have fun.
I hope this makes you feel better. Just in the future, keep your blood inside your body. Do you have a pick? This long and watch your back.
Gotcha, bitch!
Hey!
Through that,
Bitch.
and killed your opponent. Well done. Somebody else with a melee weapon.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I get him. Good in.
Hey, contestants, what's that space is like? An egg in a cooking scenario. Yeah. You killed some chump with an arrow.
Woo. He's low as fuck. Look at him. He's doing the bobbity boop. Thinking Lammy has no idea that I'm so close. Stamina, come on, 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 stab! Alrighty, we're good.
Someone was just beaten like an egg in a cooking scenario. Yeah.
He still has no idea. I'm so sorry. I feel really bad. I feel really bad. Look at him. He's thinking. He has no idea. Buddy, it's over.
You remove your enemy's soul with a spear.
Oh my God.
You send him to hell on a slow train. All aboard.
Dude. All aboard. The Fuck You Express. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos each week. Have a good one.